In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clear cache in Google Chrome, full guide. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see the menu icon with 3 dots. Click on that to open the main Chrome menu. From the drop-down menu, find and click Settings. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Privacy and Security. It is the area you will use when you want to manage saved browser information like cookies, history, and cached files. Once you are in Privacy and Security, click on Clear Browsing Data. If your goal is to clear the cache, this is the key place to go. When you open this section, take a moment to review what Chrome is preparing to remove. It does not usually remove your bookmarks, so for most people, this is a safe maintenance step. It is also a good idea if a website has been updated, but your browser is still showing an older version. Make sure you are in the correct area before confirming anything, especially if you want to avoid removing other kinds of browsing data. Reading the options carefully will help you clear what you need without deleting more than intended. That is the full path you need to follow in Chrome. Open the browser, click the 3-dot menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, and then select Clear Browsing Data. That covers everything you need to know.